I'm down here in a basement crawl space, insulating your water supply lines. Main reasons to insulate your pipes in your crawl space in the winter. In the case of an extreme cold snap, it could get below freeze. You might have burst pipes. You can save a lot on flood cleanup by preventing it, and also on plumbers' bills for putting repairs on burst pipes. For the hot water pipes, you can conserve heat, which will save you money on your heating bill. It will also keep the water from being freezing cold when it comes out of the tap, so there's a comfort issue there. Foam pipe wrap comes in different sizes, and it's split down the middle. So you get the appropriate sizes for your pipe, so you have a nice snug fit and no gaps. And then, just go like this. Like I said, I already started this one. I'll put this one on here. Now, this black steel line here is actually a gas line. You can see it's also connected to this flexible yellow gas line. Those don't need to be insulated because gas won't freeze. We've got a bunch of corners and angles, funky stuff. You can buy prefabricated pieces of the foam pipe wrap, but they're pretty costly and they don't always fit every situation. A universal way to do it is to use this fiberglass pipe wrap insulation on a roll. And now I've unrolled some of this fiberglass insulation here, and we'll simply wrap it all around all these joints, like so. And a piece of tape to hold it together. There we go. Not the most elegant assembly, but it serves the function. It seals up all those little gaps and keeps the cold out. You can also use the same fiberglass pipe wrap insulation on odd size pipes. There might be a larger pipe that you don't have the split foam available for that size. You can wrap this all around it, but it's pretty time consuming, and actually this material is more costly. So if you're going to crawl around under your house, I'd recommend wearing a dust mask at a minimum, because a lot of times there's just plenty of old dust. There's particles coming off insulation. Sometimes there's mold, dead mice, rats, live vermin too sometimes. I guess I shouldn't say it's too easy, but you can do it yourself, or you can hire me. I'll do it for you. So there you go. Fun, fun, fun.